What's up, guys? It's been a full day since the beginning of my stray dog diet, the 30-day snake diet experiment, where I eat nothing but junk food refeeds. And to be honest with you, the results have been pretty surprising. If you haven't seen that video, go ahead and watch it here, I think, or maybe here. I'm not sure. But go ahead, watch that video, and then you can watch this one, I guess, also. Peace. Yo, it's 5:30 a.m., day one of my 96-hour fast. I'm gonna weigh myself right now and see what my starting weight is. Got this weigh machine right here. $82 kilos. Chuchile. Chucha ducha. Oh, you stinky boy. How are you? Oh, so cootie booty. Sleepy today, huh? So, honestly, I started this stray dog diet thing just to be a meme. It's supposed to be like, kind of hyperbole, like ridiculous. But today when I was doing my morning run, I noticed that when I was running up the hill, I got almost the entire way up the hill without stopping to walk. Whereas before, I walked probably 3/4 of the way. You know, walk, run, walk, run. But now I ran about 3/4 of the way up before I felt the need to walk. So my theory, I could be totally wrong, but my theory is that I boosted my insulin levels so high that it caused me to go like super anabolic to the point like my muscles weren't used to it. So I think they built a lot of muscle in that short amount of time, which enabled me to get up the hill much easier. It could also be that all the carbs just filled my muscles with like extra glycogen. So I just had more gas in the tank. I'm not really sure, but we'll see. I guess what we'll really have to do is wait until I start eating healthy again to see if I still maintain the strength gains. But one thing that I think I might do, if it works, is every maybe third or fourth time I break my fast, I'll do it with junk food. Maybe this anabolic thing really is real. We'll see. So I started doing a few things that I think have kind of helped my workouts and my aesthetics a little bit. Number one, I started doing more kettlebells. The kettlebell routine really complements the Muay Thai because what I was doing is I was running a lot and I was doing a lot of boxing workouts and I leaned out quite a bit, but I was losing a little bit of the muscle that I'd gained over the summer. Another thing I started doing is inversions, where I'll hang upside down on a punching bag for like basically as long as I can, but I try to go for a minute each time, and I'll do that 4 or 5 times throughout the course of a workout. And the third thing that I started doing is handstands. I'll do handstands throughout the workout and I'll incorporate them with the inversions that I do on the boxing. It's been very good for my shoulders. I've like never worked my shoulders in my entire life, or I barely work my shoulders, but I can tell like they've grown in the past 2 weeks since I started doing this. Overall, I would say my first impressions for the diet would be I feel kind of shitty, but I have like very fake energy, I would call it. Like I can go hard for a short amount of time and then I'm totally gassed. But when I go hard, I can go very hard. One interesting thing that we started doing is punching and kicking each other in the stomach, like on the up and down swing of a sit-up or a leg raise. It's very good because it forces you to like really tense your abs at maximum, like as strong as you can for a very brief second. So it's just a little bit different than the same old like grinding reps that you would normally do in a bodybuilding workout. And the coolest part about it, well, there's 2 really cool things about it. Number one is that it prepares you to actually get punched and kicked in the stomach in an actual fight. And you know, it shows you like what areas you're weak in. Like I realized just now that when I get punched and kicked closer to my chest, like in the solar plexus, it's much easier to get the wind knocked out of me as opposed to if I get punched in the lower abs. And it makes you stronger over time. The second really cool benefit of it is that you start to get very vascular in your stomach. Like by the end of the first round of doing that just now, I had veins coming out of my stomach, which I don't think I've ever had before. And I'm lean, but I'm really not like that lean. And the same with Costa. Costa's even leaner than me. I could see the guy's like sinews like popping out of his stomach. Okay, so this is the first day of my 96-hour fast. I guess I gained a little bit of weight yesterday from my stray dog diet binge. But overall, I feel pretty good. Definitely had a lot of energy for the workouts. Was doing some crazy stuff today. Just gonna chill the rest of the day. I'll probably come here for the second workout also at 4. And yeah, that's it. These are the results. Front view, side view. That's it.